When your skin barrier is struggling, it shows. Redness, dryness, irritation, but it's not permanent. There's a fix. I'm Chrissy, Director of Product Operations here at Lovely Skin. Let me introduce you to the new SkinMedica Barrier Calming Cream. A lot of moisturizers just sit on the surface of your skin, but this one works at a cellular level. It promotes skin barrier repair and strengthens its natural ability to heal. It does that by supporting fibroblast renewal, the skin cells that keep your barrier strong. So you get instant calm and more resilient skin over time. Two key technologies are what make it work. They offer deep hydration while soothing irritation and redness. You can use it every day or reach for it when your skin needs backup, like after a procedure. It was even tested with retinol to improve tolerability. One pump covers your whole face. It's a non-comedogenic moisturizer that doesn't pill, so it layers well with other products. If your skin has been reactive, tight, or just over it, this is the reset it needs. Find it at Lovely Skin, link in the description.